Let us explore the projected wealthiest countries by 2050, based on various sources. 1. China. By 2050, China is estimated to have a GDP PPP of 90.6 trillion, making it the largest economy in the world. Its rapid growth and industrialization contribute to this impressive projection. 2. United States. Despite facing competition, the U.S. remains a major economic force. By 2050, its projected GDP PPP is $82.9 trillion. 3. India. India is expected to become the second largest economy by 2050, with a projected GDP PPP of $46.3 trillion. Its large population and ongoing reforms drive economic expansion. 4. Indonesia. Indonesia's economy is on the rise, with a projected GDP PPP of $38.3 trillion by 2050. Its young population and natural resources contribute to growth. 5. Germany. Known for its manufacturing prowess, Germany's projected GDP PPP by 2050 is $16.2 trillion. These projections highlight the economic potential and unique strengths of these nations. Keep in mind that economic conditions can change, but these countries are positioned for prosperity.